I'm sorry that it's extra close up, but it gotta be close up. My lips crusty. But anyways, hey y'all, this is Nikki's the One. I am back. Your girl is back. I'm doing a tutorial on how to do individual lashes. Yeah, because right now I have on the strip lashes, and I'm gonna show y'all. It's hot as ever, so I have to turn my fan off. It's like in the 90s right now in Chicago. This weather is crazy, bipolar, whatever you want to call it. But I have on some strip lashes, and let me just show y'all the problem with strip lashes right now. You see the front, like the front corners, they always are halfway coming off. And I use a pretty good glue. It's Super Strong Hold by Eye Envy. It's Super Strong Hold by Eye Envy, and I really like that glue. It holds really good, so I don't know what or why it doesn't hold. So if y'all know a better glue for eyelashes, let me know and I can try that. But we gonna pop these babies off, put them back in the specified case. And I really like these lashes. They're like cute and flared. Yeah, you see, they're like cute and flared. I'll be selling these soon on my site, y'all. But I just don't like that front inner to come off all the time. It always come off. So I am just going to clean my lashes and get to the video, y'all. Okay, so I came as I'm going to back up a little bit because I'm not doing it yet. So I came as close as possible to cleaning them. I am going to, all I used to clean it was some baby wash and water and warm water, and use the spoolie to clean it off. Everybody knows I really don't have many lashes, and that's because I wear false lashes every day. So yeah, it's not really a lot that I'm working with. But basically what you're gonna need, I have the the Ardell LashTite dark adhesive. It was $3.99 at the store. At the beauty supply, I got the Remy trio eyelashes, and they are medium, and I got the color short. I'm sorry, the not color, medium, and then I got short, and it's black. And I like the trio because it looks like it's going to be quicker for me instead of just doing it one. It says 3 times double volume, faster and easier. So we're gonna see how this goes, but this is basically how it looks, and they're $4.99 each. And I'm going to be using the regular spoolie and the Eye Envy tweezers, but you can use any tweezers. I just like these because it curves around and it's super fancy. So let's get this video started, and I am going to show you how I apply my false lashes. And basically these are going to be meant to stay on for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And basically they stay on longer than the strip lashes, so if you're trying to and it's going to be like 2 applications, so it's going to be 2 full sets that I can use with these. I could have just got one, but because I wanted to be extra fancy and have it short towards the inner, then that's why. But yeah, I normally start at the edge here, so that's where I'm going to be starting at. I just take the glue and put it on top of something, so I'm just going to put it on this Eco Styler cap. Basically how much? Just a little bit. And then I'm going to basically take out the lash. That's how the lash looks. And just dab it into here. Just a little bit. And just leave it there. It doesn't really take that long to let set. And I'm going to do this for 3 of them. No, I'm going to do 4. So when I say 4, it's basically 4 missing from here. And now I'm going to apply it. You see? That's just one. It's not really hard. You just apply it. And then you're going to use the tweezers to basically maneuver it to be where you want it to be. And that's all 4. And I'm just going to keep on going. Dip it in the glue. Let it sit. I'm going to do 4 more. Basically, I'm doing 4 at a time. Dip. And you got to be careful with the glue being stuck on the tweezers, because then it causes the tweezers to stick. And you don't want that when you're trying to put the lashes on your lash. I like these because it's quicker. Because it's the little bundles. And you're just using the tweezers to maneuver it where you want it to be. Yes. See? I'm gonna start it being using the short ones so it can be right here. But this is pretty much for the mediums, so I'm gonna put the mediums right here as well. Okay, so I put both of them on in medium, so I just have a little bit to put on for the shorts. I already put the glue on there, and I'm just putting on the short ones. Okay, so I am pretty much done. These are my lashes. And they are super like drama-fied, but that's what I like. Of course, you can take them off. You can space them apart if you want them to look a little more natural, but I like them to be like glamified, so that's why I have them this sleeve. Hey. But that's basically my tutorial on how you put in your single individual lashes if you wanted to have it last a little bit longer than the strip lashes, which I take off every day, if not before that. But this is how much I have left. This is the shorts, almost the whole package, and this is the medium, just a little under the last row. So I will have another full set, and basically it's going to be mainly the shorts. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, thanks for joining and tuning in, you guys. I missed y'all, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.